Good morning. Let's start by finding a moment of stillness and peace to begin our day. Take a few moments to settle in, finding a comfortable spot where you won't be interrupted, whether sitting up or lying down. Let your shoulders relax, soften your gaze, and relax your jaw. If you like, feel free to close your eyes. Now let's take a few deep breaths together. In this moment, let your breath become your guide and simply observe it. Notice the rising and falling of your chest, the coolness of the air as you inhale, the subtle warmth as you exhale. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Just bring kind awareness to each inhale and exhale. Now expand your awareness and gently begin to bring attention to your physical body. Notice the weight and the places where your body makes contact with the chair or the floor beneath you. Now bring your awareness to any areas of tension. Check in with your back, your neck, your shoulders, your legs, and even your belly. As you notice any areas of tension, imagine sending your breath and oxygen to those areas. Also remember, our minds have a tendency to wander, which is completely normal. If any thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without having the need to follow them. Like clouds drifting across the sky, gently allow any thoughts to pass. Use your breath as a gentle anchor, patiently returning to it again and again. Now I invite you to take a moment to imagine the person you aspire to be today. Connect with the qualities, values, and characteristics that deeply resonate with you. How do you navigate challenges or difficult conversations? How do you wish to move through the day and interact with those around you? Envision yourself embodying these traits with grace and authenticity, radiating kindness, compassion, and wisdom in all your actions. As you hold this vision in your mind's eye, softly contemplate how you can nurture these qualities in your everyday life. Now, with each breath, visualize yourself moving through the day with integrity and purpose, making choices that align with your highest self. Allow yourself to become fully present in this moment and consider what kind of energy you'd like to bring into this day. Perhaps choose a word to anchor yourself, like focus, authenticity, compassion, or even playfulness. Let this intention, this word, be a guiding star. Know that with every mindful breath and with every simple action, you are shaping the way your day unfolds. Now slowly take a few breaths as we begin to transition. Start to bring attention to the sounds outside of you, including the sound of my voice. Begin to wiggle your toes and your fingers. Perhaps stretch your arms overhead as you softly open your eyes. Take a little time to fully arrive in the present moment. Feel the warmth and serenity as you prepare to step into this new day, embracing its opportunities with a sense of flow and ease. And remember to carry this sense of calm and intentionality with you as you step into your day. When needed, find a few moments of mindful pause amidst the busyness of life. Allow yourself to reconnect with your inner peace and align with your intentions for the day ahead. And may your day be filled with ease and moments of joy.